See, honey, I'm not fine, and I haven't been for a long time, but I'm beginning to believe that only you can help me overcome. It's like nothing's real, and it hasn't been for a vast expanse of time and space. But in the light of your gorgeous face, I can be distracted for a while. Ooh. No, I'm not alright, and I'll tell you since you're asking. I was hoping you'd rush in to save me from the axe and chopping blow. I'm used to life just being cruel, like I'll throw you out in front, but that would merit most love, while you know it's a mistake. Honey, I'm not fine, and I haven't been for a long time, but I'm beginning to believe that only you can help me overcome. Dirt. We will thrive, we will survive, stay alive. No, honey, I'm not fine, and I haven't been for a long time, but I'm beginning to believe that only you can help me overcome.
Jasper.